You're so beautiful, you're round. I love your curves. I love the way you look your handle. Man, you're so beautiful. No one ever is gonna take us away. No one. What the? Hey, it's Funk Roberts from over40shred.com, and today I'm really excited because I'm combining my favorite piece of equipment with my favorite style of training, and I'm bringing you my Kettlebell Khaos workout. That's right, man. Kettlebell exercises combined with 3 different style of metabolic protocols. We're doing 3 different rounds. But before that, this is something very important because in this workout, the goal is to build muscle and get shredded, burn fat, burn calories. And in order to do that, we have to make sure that it's a short workout. Plus, when we're 40, 50, 60, we need shorter workouts. We can't be in the gym for hours. But here's the thing. Science and research shows that when you do workouts, 35 minutes and under, total body workouts, you're gonna increase the release of growth hormones and testosterone, which makes us stronger, builds muscle, and burns fat. But anything after that, like if you're doing long, steady cardio, or if you're doing bodybuilding style workouts that you're in the gym for 60 minutes, anything after 30 minutes, 35 minutes, you're increasing cortisol. And what's cortisol? Well, it's a stress hormone that causes belly fat storage, amongst all kinds of other things. So what we wanna do is we wanna make sure that we stick into the sweet spot, 35 minutes and under, where our growth hormones are released, where our testosterone is released, where we can build muscle, burn fat, stay away from longer workouts that increase our cortisol, all right? So this workout shouldn't take you longer than 35 minutes. It's 3 rounds. In the first round, we're doing what's called a complex, kettlebell complex, where we have different exercises you're gonna do for reps, one after the other for 10 straight minutes. So you're gonna continue to do for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna move on to round 2, which we move to a metabolic workout. We're doing 5 exercises, 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds rest, one after the other for 2 rounds. And finally, we're finishing off with my favorite kettlebell exercise with my favorite bodyweight workout, bodyweight exercise. We're doing a ladder, burpee kettlebell swing ladder. Anyways, I'm done talking. You guys have listened to me long enough. Now let me take you through this workout. Let's get it done. Our first round, we're doing kettlebell complex, where we're gonna do 6 exercises. Each exercise, you're doing 5 reps each on one side, one after the other, and then right away you're switching to the other side, doing 5 sets each, and you're gonna continually switch from side to side for 10 straight minutes. Try to get as many sets as possible. Good luck. First exercise are push-ups. We're doing 5 reps here. Just with regular push-ups, you wanna make sure that your core is tight, exhaling on the way up, inhaling on the way down. Next up, we move to rows. So we stick with the left arm. Again, your back is straight. You're exhaling as you row up, keeping the core tight and rowing by your hips. Next up are deadlifts. So here with this deadlift, you wanna make sure that your butt is pointing back, as far back behind, so your posterior is taking the brunt of the movement. From there, we move to cleans. Now with the cleans, it's really important that we keep the elbow tight to the body, and you're clean as you clean that kettlebell up, and make sure as well that you're breathing throughout the movement. Next up are squats. Here, core's gotta be tight. Keep the heels on the ground, exploding on the way up, and inhaling on the way down. Finally, we have our press. So again, we're sticking to the left arm. We're gonna press straight up and down, exhaling on the way up, inhaling on the way down. And again, the core's gotta be tight as you press straight up. So after you've done the left side, move on to the right side, do the exact same thing, and alternate back and forth for 10 straight minutes, trying to get as many sets as possible. Round 2, we're moving to a metabolic workout. Here, we're doing 5 exercises, and each exercise, you're doing 40 seconds of work, followed by 20 seconds rest, one after the other. Now, if one of the exercises you're using one arm in round 1, the second round, you'll use the other arm. All right, are you ready? Let's get it done. First exercise is the snatch. So here we're doing 40 seconds of the snatch. We're doing one side, and here we wanna make sure that we're using our lower body to explode up. Use that lower body, the posterior chain, explode, and as you get to the top, squeeze your core and then swing it all the way back down. It's a great, powerful exercise. And again, exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Second exercise, our goblet squat to reverse lunge. Now this exercise is a great core exercise, but also posterior chain and lower body exercise. We take that kettlebell, hold in the goblet, go down into a squat, making sure our knees are pointed out, heels are on the ground, explode up. As we come up, then we move into the second exercise, which is reverse lunge. We alternate that reverse lunge, ensuring that our front leg is helping us explode back up, breathing on the way down and exhaling on the way up. Our next exercise are cross body cleans. I really like this one because now we're moving across the body. We've got a little bit of rotation. Grab that kettlebell, clean it up, and then bring it back, sit it back down on the ground. Make sure that the kettlebell goes right to the ground, and as you clean up, keep the elbows tight, core tight, and you're gonna do this for 40 seconds on one side, and then the second round, you'll just use the other arm. Our next exercise are alternating single swings. So once again, this is a great posterior chain, power, metabolic exercise. We're gonna alternate the swings. So as you catch that kettlebell, swing it all the way back down, use your hips and glutes to swing the kettlebell back up and then push it down between your legs. Again, exhaling on the way up, inhaling on the way down. Finally, we're doing kettlebell swings to squat. Here again, we're combining the swing and the squat exercise. Again, lower body, but as you swing, catch the kettlebell and then go down into a squat, let go, and then swing again. So keep that going, exhaling, heels to the ground, core tight, getting it done. For the final round, you're gonna be doing a ladder finisher. We're using ascending, descending ladder with swings and burpees. So you're gonna start with 1 swing and 7 burpees, move to 2 swings and 6 burpees, and so on and so forth until you get to 7 swings and 1 burpee. Are you ready? Let's get it done. So we're gonna start off with 1 swing, and after that 1 swing, we're gonna move to 7 burpees. With the burpee, we wanna do a full burpee, so make sure you go down into a push-up, come all the way up, explode all the way up, breathing throughout the movement. Then we move on to 2 kettlebell swings, and then 6 burpees, 3 kettlebell swings, 5 burpees. With this workout, you wanna move as fast as you can. Try to go unbroken. Try not to rest in between exercises. But right now, we're just emptying the tank. We're using a metabolic workout to really burn fat and an explosive power movement in the kettlebell swings. So I hope you guys enjoyed that workout, man. As you can see, it's a rough one, it's a tough one, but it's super effective because we're keeping it under 35 minutes, testosterone, growth hormone, and we're kicking cortisol to the curb, all right? So I hope you guys enjoy that. Remember, shorter workouts, 3 times a week, total body. That's what's gonna help you guys over 40 or anyone in general get into the best shape of your life while staying injury-free and getting enough recovery and rest. Anyways, if you like that workout, please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. Like this, share this, subscribe to this channel, and listen, if you want a free workout, 1 week program to help you burn fat, build muscle, get in a great shape, then click the link somewhere here, the I, you'll see it pop up. Download that. It's for guys over 40, specifically for you. Anyways, I'm done talking. Next time, I want to see you. And listen, if you like that kettlebell workout, check out that kettlebell workout right there, and get it done.